Hi, Henry. How are you today?
Hey, Ava, I'm doing really well.
Did you have breakfast this morning?
Yes, I had cereal and toast.
What time did you wake up?
I woke up at 7 a.m. Yes.
Do you usually wake up early?
Yes, I prefer waking up early.
How was your weekend? Anything fun?
My weekend was great, relaxed mostly.
Did you watch any movies lately?
Yes, I watched a comedy yesterday.
What movie did you watch last night?
I watched The Big Funny Show.
Do you like watching comedies?
Yes, they always make me laugh.
Where do you usually watch movies?
I watch movies on Netflix mostly.
Have you been to the park recently?
Yes, I went last Saturday afternoon.
What did you do at the park?
I went jogging and relaxed afterward.
Do you like jogging every weekend?
Yes, it helps me stay healthy.
What do you usually do for exercise?
I go jogging and sometimes lift weights.
Do you prefer jogging alone or with friends?
I prefer jogging alone for focus.
How often do you go jogging?
I jog 3 times a week.
What else do you do for fun?
I like reading and playing video games.
What kind of books do you enjoy?
I enjoy reading science fiction novels.
Have you read any good books recently?
Yes, I finished a mystery novel.
Do you like mystery novels more?
Yes, I find them really exciting.
What's the title of the book?
It's called The Secret Detective's Case.
Do you recommend that book to me?
Yes, I think you'd really enjoy it.
What's your favorite place to read?
I like reading in the park.
Do you visit the library often?
Yes, I go there every weekend.
Do you borrow many books at once?
No, I usually borrow 2 books.
What are your plans for tonight?
I'll probably relax and watch TV.
What shows do you like to watch?
I like watching cooking and travel shows.
Do you cook at home often?
Yes, I cook at least twice weekly.
What's your favorite dish to cook?
I love making homemade pasta dishes.
Do you follow recipes or experiment?
I follow recipes but like experimenting too.
Are you planning to cook tonight?
No, I'm ordering pizza tonight instead.
What toppings do you like on pizza?
I love pepperoni, mushrooms, and olives.
Do you prefer thin crust or deep dish?
I prefer thin crust, it's crispier.
Have you tried making pizza at home?
Yes, I've made homemade pizza before.
Was it hard to make pizza yourself?
Not really, it was actually quite fun.
Do you like dining out or home cooking?
I enjoy both, but prefer home cooking.
Do you like trying new restaurants?
Yes, I love trying new food places.
What's your favorite type of restaurant?
I like Italian and Mexican restaurants.
Do you often eat at Mexican restaurants?
Yes, I go there every few weeks.
What's your favorite Mexican dish?
I love tacos with lots of toppings.
Do you cook any Mexican food at home?
Yes, I've made tacos and enchiladas before.
What do you usually drink with tacos?
I like drinking soda or iced tea.
Do you have any plans this weekend?
I'm planning to visit my friend's house.
Do you hang out with friends often?
Yes, I hang out with them weekly.
What do you usually do with friends?
We watch movies or play board games.
What board games do you like?
I enjoy playing Monopoly and chess.
Are you good at playing chess?
I'm okay, still learning how to win.
Have you ever been to a chess tournament?
No, I've never competed in one.
Do you want to play chess later?
Sure, that sounds like fun.
Do you think chess is difficult?
Yes, it requires a lot of strategy.
What other games do you enjoy?
I also like playing card games.
Do you play cards with your family?
Yes, we often play on weekends.
What's your favorite card game?
I enjoy playing poker with friends.
Are you good at playing poker?
I'm decent, but I could improve.
Do you watch any sports regularly?
Yes, I watch soccer and basketball often.
What's your favorite basketball team?
My favorite team is the Lakers.
Do you play any sports yourself?
Yes, I play basketball occasionally.
Are you playing basketball this weekend?
No, I'm just watching the games.
Do you enjoy watching sports with friends?
Yes, it's more fun with friends.
Are you going to any games soon?
Yes, I have tickets for next week.
Well, I should get going now.
Okay, Ava, it was nice talking.
Bye, Henry. See you again soon.
Bye, Ava, take care, see you.